Today, I will show you how to use the Robinhood app step by step in a simple and clear way. Robinhood is a popular trading app that allows you to invest in stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrencies with zero commission. First, you need to download the Robinhood app from the App Store or Google Play and create an account. You will sign up using your email, create a password, and verify your identity by providing basic personal information. After that, you connect your bank account so you can deposit and withdraw money. Once your account is approved, you can add funds by tapping on the deposit option and choosing how much money you want to invest. Now let us explore the main screen. At the top, you can see your total portfolio value. Below that, you will find the search bar where you can look for any stock or cryptocurrency by name or symbol. When you select a stock, you will see its price chart, key information, and recent performance. You can switch between different time ranges to understand how the price has moved. To buy a stock, tap the Buy button, enter the amount you want to invest, and confirm your order. Robinhood allows you to buy full shares or fractional shares, which is great for beginners. If you want to sell a stock, simply tap Sell, choose the number of shares, and confirm. You can also create a watch list to track stocks you are interested in without buying them. This helps you monitor prices and plan future trades. Robinhood also offers options trading and crypto trading, but beginners should focus on stocks first and learn the basics. Always remember, investing involves risk, so never invest money you cannot afford to lose. That is a quick overview of how to use the Robinhood app. If you found this helpful, do not forget to like the video and subscribe for more investing tutorials.